Sometimes you just really gotta fluff this hair because it falls flat, you know? Yeah. Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Sarian, and it's been a while since I've done like a graphic liner look, so I was like, girl, I need to put a graphic liner look on my eye. I want to say a big thank you to Rimmel for partnering with me on this tutorial. Fernando did this really cool, like, his script is amazing, okay? And I was like feeling really inspired the other night. He was doing some cool piece. Girl, it was real cool. Feeling inspired by his art and his craft and bringing it into my makeup look. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will stop talking and get right into this tutorial. Looks like my name should be like cotton candy. But I already have my complexion on, and I'm now going to be using, called the Magnifies Color Edition eyeshadow palette, number 004. Let's just dip into it. Dip it and do it. So using this palette, I'm gonna take this shade right here with a fluffier crease brush. This is just going to go right in my crease to lightly define my eye shape. I just wanna make sure I got a little bit of shadow on there so my eye doesn't look like one big blob. So this is one of the items that I'm most excited about. It's the Ombre Holographic Eyeliner. So it's a double-ended pencil, but I have the shade Golden Gaze. Do you remember in the video I posted a couple tutorials back and I was like, where are all the innovative products? Well, this is like one of them, okay? Never seen something like this before. Rimmel's first to market Ombre double-ended holographic eyeliner. Line with the high impact color, which is this end right here. Then you're supposed to come back and create the ombre effect with the holographic tip, which is this end right here. Wears for 8 to 11 hours. I'm first gonna line with the high impact color, this end right here. I curled my eyelashes today and they look so long. I need to curl my eyelashes more often. I don't know what I'm doing. I like to do a thick line first. Wing her out. Before the liner dries, I'm gonna wing it out a little bit, smudge it. So it's super blendable. You could smudge this liner really well. I'm gonna carry it into my crease. I'm gonna go back to my liner and deepen it a little bit. So that was kind of creating the base. So now I'm taking the other shade on the liner, coming right over the black. So I'm layering it a little bit heavier right on my inner lash line and then on my lid. Then I'm gonna let it fade to like the darker. Now I'm just going over my crease. Whoop. Having this black down first really intensifies this gold shade. I love it. She cute. And then I'm coming back to the black shade just to kind of blend it into the yellow because I want it to fade. So I just did gold up in here and mainly right here and let it fade to the dark for that ombre effect. Love it. I'm just gonna do the same exact thing to the other eye. It's a lot easier than you think. The liner is very forgiving. So when doing a graphic liner, I think the hardest part obviously is like getting it to look really clean. If you mess up, you could always go in with a little concealer brush and just really clean up and soften the edges. And luckily it's not like with a liquid. You do a graphic liner look, it's pretty much on there and it could be a pain if you mess up. Boom. So once I have the base down, I am now doing the same thing. I'm taking the gold and I'm just gonna layer it right up in here. I used to do graphic liner looks all the time and I stopped for some reason, I don't know why. I think when you're doing makeup, you just kind of go through stages where you get really into something and then you're all about it and then you stop and then you get into it later on down the line or you just kind of get uninspired. Feel like, especially when you're on YouTube, it's so easy to fall into like this rut of feeling not very creative or very uninspired. And like a little tip for anyone out there who's struggling with inspiration, surround yourself with people or things that do inspire you. Go outside, look around, you'd be surprised. But also I think the main thing is like surrounding yourself with people who inspire you. So like Fernando really inspires me, pushes me to be more creative and think outside the box. I don't know why I started to go on that little ramble, but a little tip for you out there, okay? I don't know, I was definitely like in a rut for a while, but I feed off of Fernando's energy sometimes. And lately he's been on a roll. So once I have both eyes done and I am satisfied with how it's looking, I'm going to now add, I think I want something down here because look at my bags that are like serious. I haven't slept in a minute. Coming right here, okay? Taking the yellow side, blending that. I want the gold to be popping right here, popping. Woohoo! I like how this came out. I'm gonna put mascara on my top and bottom lashes. This is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes Curve Alert Mascara. Scandalize. So I've definitely been into, I mean, I don't wear eyelashes all the time. I go through stages where I'm all about them. But lately I've just been on this just mascara kick. And I love it. I'm very nasally, I'm still sick. Cute, cute. Magoot. For lips, because they are so dry, they are dehydrated. Yeah, they're just dehydrated and dry because I've been sick. So the Rimmel Provoca Lips. This is a 16-hour kiss-proof lip color. This is the color 420 Berry Seductive. Now there's two sides to it. One's the actual color and one is like the lock and shine. I honestly, on days where like my lips are dry or I don't really want to wear a lot of color, I'll just do the number 2 side because it really seals in all the moisture. And I'm here for that right now. Plus, I feel like I don't need a lip with this eye. Sometimes it's optional, you know? And this is the finished look. It's super cute. It's really easy. I have faith in you. You can do it. Don't forget to check out down below my description box. I always list all of the products that I use on my face, and you could find these products that I use today. I want to say a big thank you to Rimmel for partnering with me on this tutorial. Hope you have a good day today. You make good choices, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon. Bye.